Olive oil and mint, when combined, form a potent duo offering a multitude of health benefits. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is celebrated for its high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which contribute to heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and combating inflammation. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties are beneficial in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improving skin health, making it a natural ally against aging and skin disorders. Mint, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of freshness and therapeutic properties. It's renowned for its digestive benefits, aiding in relieving indigestion and soothing an upset stomach. The menthol in mint also provides relief from respiratory issues, acting as a natural decongestant, and its aroma is a well-known remedy for stress and anxiety, offering a calming effect on the mind and body. The combination of olive oil and mint not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also synergizes their health benefits, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, especially for those seeking natural remedies for overall well-being. Here are some benefits of olive oil and mint. Olive oil. 1. Contains large amounts of antioxidants. 2. Has strong anti-inflammatory properties. 3. May help prevent strokes. 4. Contains modest amounts of vitamins E and K. 5. Contains nutrients that fight inflammation. 6. May improve cholesterol levels. Mint. 1. May improve irritable bowel syndrome. 2. Soothes common cold symptoms. 3. Aids digestion. 4. Treats dizziness. 5. Treats nausea. 6. Treats headaches. 7. Improves dental health. 8. Improves blood circulation.